Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin now. Power your AirPods Max and put them in pairing mode by holding the noise control button until the LED flashes. Make sure you have a Bluetooth audio transmitter that supports headset audio and plugs into the Xbox Controller 3, 5mm jack or USB port. Once done, power on the transmitter and set it to discoverable. You're starting the actual connection sequence, not prepping endlessly. So keep the headset and transmitter within 1 to 3 meters to guarantee a stable link while you continue. Now pair the transmitter directly to your AirPods Max and confirm the LED or voice prompt indicates a successful link. Next, physically connect the transmitter to the Xbox. Use the controller 3, 5mm jack or USB adapter depending on your device. Then navigate to Xbox settings, general, volume, and audio output, and choose headset or external accessory as the output. Make sure chat mixer and headset volume are adjusted. This ensures game and chat routing behave as you expect. And finish by testing game audio and party chat. Play a clip and speak in party chat to confirm mic routing and balance. If you hear nothing, reset the AirPods Max by holding the digital crown and noise control button for about 15 seconds, then repair. Also, make sure the transmitter supports a low-latency codec and that your controller firmware is current, because compatibility and latency are the most common issues. If problems persist, try the Xbox mobile app, Remote Play as an alternative audio bridge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.